Final round. $1,482 on the line. Fight!
Paid Solo spent $1,482 on AI subscriptions, so I tested paid tools against free ones.
The Subscription Killer Tournament, Round 1.
I pay $144 a year for Grammarly Pro. Every email sounds professional. You pay $144 to sound like LinkedIn.
Okay, that actually sounds better.
Of course it does. It was trained on humans. I pay for Loom Business, AI summaries, transcripts, meeting recaps. You pay $150 for a record button. One was free. One sends invoices. But Loom looks cleaner. So does bankruptcy.
Road to 3
Notion AI automates project briefs, meeting summaries, content calendars. You bought a checklist. This took 12 seconds and 0 dashboards. That is literally what I pay for. Paid.
Round 4 is the one I almost did not win.
Road 4! $240 on the line.
Zapier automates everything for 750 tasks. Then it asks for rent. N8N requires setup. So did Zapier. One just charged you first.
KO! Final round. Jasper Pro. $708 a year on the line.
Jasper Pro. Brand voice. Templates. Copywriting. This one you cannot replace. This one is different. For solopreneurs, Claude handles 90% of what Jasper does. The other 10%, better memory, better team workflows, better template systems. But if you write your own content, you are paying $708 for features your team does not use. How much of this do I actually use? That is the real question. Not whether AI is useful, whether subscriptions are. Honest note, Claude also works for round 1. Gemini can win round 3. N8N is not for everyone. I used whatever one in each specific test. Test all of them for your workflow. Paid Solo still thinks more subscriptions mean more work gets done. One file, one coffee, still undefeated. Brother,